Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to update your computer on Windows 11. Now, it isn't too different from Windows 10, so it shouldn't be too bad to learn, but I just thought I'd do a video showing you how to do it and to make sure everyone knows to keep their computer updated so it can run the best it can. So if you're all ready to get into this and have some fun, woohoo, let's get on with it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to get to the Windows 11 update screen. No duh.
The inner machinations of my mind are an enigma.
And if you don't know where Windows Update is, you can just go to the search bar down here and type in Windows Update. And as you can see, a check for update options came up. You can click on this, and this will bring you to the Windows Update menu. Now, if you want to actually find it another way though, there is another way, and I can show you that too. Back out here on the desktop, you just got to go to the Start menu. You got to go to Settings up here, or type in Settings and search, whatever you do. But in the Settings menu, which has been totally reworked for Windows 11, I love how it looks, by the way. Windows Update is down here in the bottom left, or it's up here in the top right. You can see last checked 19 minutes ago. So it's very easy to get to in Windows 11, and they have it in a lot of different places. So just click on this, and we'll be right back into the Windows Update menu. Okay, so now that we are in the Windows Update menu, I have recently upgraded to Windows 11 from Windows 10, so I have some updates to install. And this is what my screen looks like right now. I can install now. And as you can see, I have a cumulative update for Windows 11, pending install, and a malicious software removal tool, pending install. So I have two updates right there that needs installed. So all I have to do is click on Install Now, and it'll start installing these updates. So let's do that. Okay, and now it is done installing those updates. I skipped through the boring parts. Now it tells me it's almost time to restart, estimated 6 minutes. You've chosen to restart your device as soon as possible when an update is pending and one is ready for you now. We'll restart to install this update at 4:57 p.m. or you can restart sooner. Remember to leave your device turned on and plugged in. Okay, so what we have to do is restart the device. So I'm going to do that now and install the updates, and I'll meet you on the other side. And we are back in the Windows Update menu. It has updated my computer. And as you can see, it says I'm up to date. Last check today at 4:14. So if you ever need to check for updates, as you can see over here on the right, there's just a check for update button. You can press this and your computer will check if there's any updates it needs to download. As you can see, there are none. So now that you know how to update your computer and everything, let's go over a few more options in the Windows Update menu. You can automatically adjust your active hours to prevent disruption. So this basically means your active hours are when you use your computer, and your computer will automatically find those and it will not shut down during those hours, or if you have it set to, it'll notify you, or you might not have it do that. I'll go over some of that, but anyways, you can turn that on right here. So let's just turn it on, and it will take us over to the advanced options here. And this is where you can see some of the options I was talking about. I guess I'll just go through this now since we're in the advanced options. You can receive updates for other Microsoft products. If you want to receive updates of all Microsoft's crap, you can just turn this on here, but I leave it off because I don't want to be updated. And here's the Get Me Up to Date. Now I have this on, and this will make it so it'll restart as soon as possible, even during your active hours, to finish updating. And it will notify me 15 minutes before it does, so I can make sure the device is on and plugged in. I like it to just restart and get the update done, so I have this on. That's up to you if you want to or not. If you don't, just turn it off, but I have it on. And you can have it download over metered connections. Even tells you data charges may apply, so just beware of that. But if you want to, you can turn that on here or off. I have it off because I don't have a metered connection. And this next one, you can notify me when a restart is required to finish updating. So if you do want it to notify you for when a restart is needed, you can have this on here and it will notify you too. I like that on too, just so I get notified it's going to restart my computer. And then the last thing is what I was talking about, your active hours. The time it won't restart your device. Mine is set to 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. That's usually when I use my computer, and that's automatically set. But if you click on this arrow here, you can see you can adjust your active hours. You can set it to automatically, or you can set it to manual. And with manual, it'll tell you the recommended active hours here, or you can set your own times for whenever you want. So that's just a few things you can do in these advanced settings and how you can set your active hours. You can go through these and set them however you want. It's all up to you and personal preference. There are more options down here, but these are a lot more complex and dig into a lot of other stuff. The biggest thing is optional updates. If you need any optional updates, you can click on here and see them. There are no optional updates available at this time. I don't know if there are in Windows 11, but I don't have any, so there's that. And the rest of them are just some other stuff for like bandwidth and reset startup and all kinds of stuff Windows 11 added. So if you want to dig through these, you can, but I'm going to go back. Now that we got through all that, let's just go through the last little things in this menu here. Pause updates. You can pause updates so your computer will not update at all. You can set it for 1 week, which is the default, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or up to 5 weeks. So I never pause for updates, but if you ever need to for some reason, you can do that right here. You can see your update history here. If you click on this arrow or just anywhere here, this is your update history. As you can see, it tells me my Windows 10 updates to Windows 10 version 2.1H2, you can see the Windows 11 updates, and you can see when I updated to Windows 11. You can see what's new in Windows 11 here, and you can learn more about the updates down here. So that's cool and all, but let's go back. And back here, the advanced options, we just went through that, so we won't have to get into there again. And the only other thing is the Windows Insider program. Now, this is just a little program you can get into. If you click on it, you can see I'm not part of it. You can join the program here though to get started. It just lets you try new features before they release and give feedback. So kind of like beta testing Windows updates, I think. You can get expert tips and insights, access exclusive contents and events. If that's your thing, go for it right here. I'm not part of it. Probably won't be, maybe, I don't know. But it's there if you want it to. So that's about all it takes to update your computer in Windows 11. Like I said, it's not too different from Windows 10. I love the new interface though. It's nice and clean and slick. If you need any more help, you can give feedback here or get help here. And other than that, you can just keep your computer up to date. And that does it for me today. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you got some information out of this and learned how to update your computer and some of the options in Windows Update. If you liked the video or learned anything, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content in the future. I'm just a simple guy trying to help people learn more about their computer, and you all take care now. I'll see you next time on NerdServ.